Right, now we have this greedy bowl for our sprocker. Springer Cross a Cock Spaniel. Sit down, sit. Sit, little girl, good girl. We go. And she eats very quickly. That's meant to be a greedy bowl. So that's 3 small handfuls. She eats normally, bless her. So I've nearly done now, haven't you? A couple of spots in there, so that's 1 minute 19. Now let's try the other one. Hey.